Info Plus for genuine information. Sata Sanchay.
VIT University is a university that offers facilities that are, on lines with any other international university in the world.
The fair response as of now is very good. We have visited a fair from last 2 years, and each and every year the expectation is getting higher and higher. This year we have more than 100 inquiries as of now.
The fair is actually wonderful. In fact, it's a fantastic platform where you can get to meet the students of Nepal, Kathmandu in particular. And for us, it was the first time that we came here. And I think it was wonderful to meet the students, to see the kind of enthusiasm that they have.
Obviously, we are trying to make it as a global destination. We are having students from other countries, but Asia is obviously an important emerging market. And culturally, it's very close to Nepal, so students would feel comfortable.
Really, first of all, I would like to say that it's really wonderful to see the Nepalese students so aware of different areas of education.
People have started identifying affairs, exhibitions, education, Indian education fair in a very different manner. And the trust factor, what you are talking about, it definitely exists. That's why they know where to go and where to seek information. Probably the good work what we have been doing over the years, or they may have visited our exhibition in the past and they have got something, they've got a lot of benefits out of it. Probably this makes them attracted to our exhibition. And genuinely I feel that it makes a lot of sense for the students and parents to come here and gain a lot of knowledge about various universities and colleges.
Sata Sanchay.